Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Press the WPS button on your router to turn on the discovery of new devices. Connect them to your wireless network by pressing the WPS button on the router and then on those devices. WPS automatically sends the network password, and these devices remember it for future use.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is WPS enabled on your router? Check the WPS settings in the wireless setup area of your modem's user interface. Reboot your modem and try again. If you can't get WPS to work after a few attempts, try connecting to the Wi-Fi network using the network login information printed on the modem label.
Let's help you make your mark.
Using the WPS reset button. Step 1. Power on your TP-Link router. Step 2. Hold down the WPS reset button of the router for more than 10 seconds or until the SYS LED flashes faster. Step 3. Now, the router will be restored to the factory default settings.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If the WPS connection fails, try the following. Make sure that the router's WPS feature is enabled. Move the router closer to the device. Under the device network screen, select Wi-Fi. Under the network Wi-Fi screen, select Connect via WPS. Press the WPS button on the router.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.